Pion Predictor software is an enhanced data processing and management platform that allows you to analyze dissolution and flux data to get dissolution rates, precipitation kinetics, and in vivo absorption rate and total mass absorbed predictions. Based on the Gastrointestinal Unified Theoretical Framework, or GUT, Predictor software will directly convert in vitro flux profile data from microflux, miniflux, or bioflux experiments into estimations of the fraction of the dose absorbed in humans. Predictor links flux measurements to the biopharmaceutical classification and fraction absorbed classification systems. Obtain exploratory BCS predictions and predictions of the rate-limiting step to oral absorption of a drug for pure APIs or formulations. No additional input data required beyond measurements obtained using Pion's flux apparatus and the Rainbow R6. Predictor derives the dose, dissolution, and permeability numbers from flux assay results. Visualize how the absorbed fraction of a dose can change with respect to solubility, dissolution performance, or permeability. Apply flux with Predictor software to understand where to target formulation improvements. Contact us today to learn more about Pion Predictor software.